Good morning, everybody. Beautiful morning. So a little scan around, show you. Look at that. Ain't bad, is it? Not a bad day at all. Right then, so we're just here at the apiary. Queens, 20 queens. We're just going to put in. So these nukes were created probably, I don't know, 10 days ago. So they are going to be ready. We'll probably go in, find some queen cells, bash them down, make sure that they're hopelessly queenless, and then we will put in the mated queens that we have. Right, so that's the plan. I'll just take you for a little wander up here. It's just so bees are in flight, which is good to see. Let me just flip you around. There we go. So yeah, bees are in flight, which is all good. Good to see. The nukes that we're doing are going to be up here in a minute. That's empty, that one. So we've got these nukes, as you can see, all nice and busy. And then at the back, they've not quite warmed up yet, so you can see the difference. But they are all with bees. So they're going to get the treatment today. I'm going to go into each of the hives, just check how they're doing. All the syrup's gone. As you imagine, they're doing fairly well. Yeah, that's great to see. So what we're going to do is take down all of these, take all of these frames out, inspect each frame. They haven't even started drawing that one yet. Got some green cups down there. You're getting a new queen today, guys, so don't panic. They're okay. So freshly hatched, as I'd want it. Get rid of this brace comb here at the bottom. Want that. And then, yeah, so they're okay on that frame. These are just 2 frame splits. I've drawn that out nicely. Okay, they could do with a feed. We'll feed them in a minute. So what we're going to do now is take that off. Look at that. Get them a queen. So we've got a queen, and then we'll put them into each box with the tabs closed. To be honest, we could put them in with the tabs open the way that these bees are. But this is the other nuke, the other side of the nuke, should I say. I'll show you the setup in a minute. But I'm looking for queen cells. There doesn't seem to be. There's one there. Just take that down. Still got brood unhatched there. There's another one. Get rid of that. Another one there. So you've got to make sure that these are hopelessly queenless. So there's no way now, just even the time frame that we've given them, that these guys could make a queen. But I just wanted to just make sure 100%. So queen cell there, get rid of that. There we go, get rid of that for you. And that one's sort of, I don't know what they're doing here, but some weird kind of drone comb stuff going on. So these, yes, hopelessly queenless now. Once we take this cell down and this cell, keep that there, give this, just make sure. So we've got the queen cups at the bottom, nothing else on there. We can put that one, in fact we'll put that here for now, and we'll shake this one, 100% make sure, one there, look, and there we go. So that one and that one are now hopelessly queenless. 2 queens, pick them out, got the 2 queens, going to put them in like so, and like so. I'll just get you and show you. So you can see now, the queens are in, okay, and we've got 2 3-frame nukes, and they are now going to accept that queen, all being well. Where are you gone? Gotta get used to this new camera. So I bought the Osmo Pocket 3, and it's a very, very good camera, to be fair. So then all we're going to do is close them up like that. They've got a new queen.